Winter vehicle maintenance tips for Volkswagen Beetle in Thousand Oaks. Winter roads can be dangerous and driving during a winter storm can be a real burden. Moreover, the winter comes with a brand new set of problems that affect your car. Make sure that your Volkswagen is prepared for any winter storm by regular servicing, driving safely, packing a winter emergency kit. There are a few things you can do to get your car ready for the impending winter. The following points define the winter maintenance tips for the Volkswagen Beetle. Fill up the tires. Low air pressure in your tires can be potentially dangerous on winter roads. Take your car to a mechanic to check the tire pressure and fill the tires if necessary. Inspect the battery. In the cold winter months, the capacity of the battery of your car lessens up to 10%. So, consult with a professional mechanic to inspect your battery's fluid and cables. Check the fluid. During winter, the car's fluid like coolant, engine oil, and transmission fluid become denser and more viscous. This can be avoided by purchasing oil that is thinner than normal in Volkswagen. Protect the windshield wipers. If you park the car outside, raise the wipers to prevent them from freezing to the windshield. Subsequently, never use your wiper blades to remove ice, snow, or frost from the windshield. Keep the fuel tank half full. In the winter months, it is good to keep at least half a tank of fuel in the car. For longer road trips, you have to plan multiple stops for gas in advance. Conclusion. Now that you know the different kinds of issues our car may undergo during winter, consult with the nearest mechanic to perform the necessary winter maintenance in your Volkswagen. Thanks for watching the video.